have my first YouTube video. And so today we are just going to be playing a little bit of hide and seek in Roblox. Sorry guys, you might hear a little bit
chattery little guinea pigs.
Yeah, cause
and sometimes they fart right in our faces, so better cover your nose. Quit laughing so much, especially while you're eating. I heard that it gives you gas.
What the heck?
What the heck? You're about to fart right in my face.
Nuh-uh.
Probably.
Okay, so we don't get to start.
2 minutes, boy. Let's go. Oh, there are only 2 more. Seriously, dude, they're noobs. They're nubs. Big little nubs. I wonder who those people back there are, huh? I wonder why you don't see. Why is she running so fast? How?
How can
Is she a cheater?
She's a cheater!
Huh, I wonder what those things are over there. Oh, she finally found them. Let's go, man. Okay, so remember to like and comment for what she wants to do next.
Yep.
And bro, remember, I am about to start another YouTube channel. So far, I've had 3, and they've all gotten, like, terrible things. So I can't use them anymore. So, yeah. Oh, they hop down. They hop down over there. They hop down. Sorry if you're blind. Boy, they're not up there. Jump down. Jump down, matey. Boy, they aren't there.
I really hope that I don't get it, because I hate being it.
Okay, that was random. Can you actually hide in those books, boy? Just hop down. They're running away from you. Well, they've gone. They're gone.
Yep, they're gone.
Bro, they're literally like right underneath them. Oh my gosh. Just jump all the way down. Jump all the way down. Not really that hard. Huh.
Dude, you
Boom.
don't even see her coming.
He did. Oh, she about to be dead. Oh, this is a chase. Can she survive? Oh, she's
like,
I don't know why she just ran away. Ah, you stuck, boy.
Okay. It's my turn. We are going to do 3 rounds of these. So, the first one will be the kitchen. Once again. What the heck? Is that like a dinosaur or something? Please not me. Please not me. Ah! Where am I? Oh, that's me. Bye. Oh yeah, sure. Bye. Where's that plant? Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna have fun. Oh, bingo. Bada bing, bada boom. The guinea pig stopped barking. Hallelujah.
That's weird.
Just because of my weird senses. Hey, stop it! I hate this.
Bro, this guy's good.
Holy cow! Thank goodness. No, let me in, let me in, let me in. Like, where the heck? How do I get up there? Yes! Bada bing, bada boom. Let's bet. Oh, where the heck is he? Is he still in? He's still in there. Sorry. I think I have something in my throat. Whew. Or I'm just tired. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. is he doing? So guys, while this is happening,
quit talking so much. Don't just get the point.
Hey,
What?
shush. He's taking a while.
Alerts. Where am I? Alerts.
Don't go over to Bergen's channel. I'm just kidding. You guys can go over
I don't
there.
have a channel anymore.
Well, he is gonna start one.
Monetized for how savage I am. Boy, get wrecked. You don't know how it's like to be savage.
Okay, so this guy's taking forever. Subscribe to this channel and Bergen's channel. Well, soon to be channel.
Yes. It will be called Mr. Boy. I mean Mr. Man.
Yes. Subscribe to Mr. Man's channel.
Once I get a new phone, I'm going to start another channel.
Bergen, did you ask to use my phone? That doesn't really work at other places.
No.
You're like, hey Tabitha, could I borrow your phone for my YouTube channels? And I was like, yeah, sure, go ahead. And you're like, yay, thank you.
I'm gonna report these people.
This is so stinking long. This guy will never find me. Look where I am.
Oh, I feel sorry for Walker.
What?
Jessica followed him. That's sad.
Who's Jessica?
Girl from my school that's like really annoying. That suck. 10-day roll.
Is this guy literally?
I also feel sorry for Ethan. Bro, I'm beating her by like 1,000 points. Literally like 1,000 points.
Okay. Wow. This guy can really not find me. I chose a great place.
That's gonna suck for her. Oh my gosh. You got 1% achievement on Minecraft? Oh my god. My dude. What is going on with you?
So guys,
My dude, what is going on
just
with
tell
you?
me of what other stuff I should do. Because I don't know what to talk about right now. Because he literally can't find me. Oh yeah, I won. Yeah. Do you want it? Wow. This takes a while. Ethan's bedroom. Yay, hallelujah. Something cool. I haven't been in Ethan's bedroom for a while. Not me. Please.
Guess what, boy?
Oh, it's 9.52%. It's not going to be me.
Boy, you
Oh, no. It was me becoming a chance of being it.
After you play, I'm gonna make myself a little YouTube channel.
Okay. Bye.
Hi.
So annoying.
Ooh, I'm gonna play
Oh, it's
Brawlhalla.
bye.
Hey, like if you play Brawlhalla. You know,
Oh?
like that one from the cartoon channel thingamabobber, whatever it's called. I don't watch it, so I'm a nub.
You don't watch it, so you're a nub?
Yes.
Wow.
You don't watch it,
Hey!
You don't watch our pets. You don't watch
Whoa!
Boy, let's go.
Wait, what? Who is that? That's the girl who's... Wait.
What's a cow who's what?
He's not out yet, so I'm good.
No, not on mine. Dang it. Hey,
Dang
y'all,
it,
can you just
move.
donate to us because I'm like broke and I really want to have Xbox Live Gold. Okay? Thank you. No!
No, go back.
I'm gonna play
round because the it person left the game. So I do 4 rounds this time. Well, I'll try to keep it in the maximum of time because it's like 15 minutes of this video. So.
Nah. I knew it. You were gonna cough.
Hey.
That's why I went like.
Oh, it's not me. Goodness gracious.
No.
I almost had a heart attack. It's like, I don't want it to be me. I don't want it to be me. Bye. Shush your face up. Shush!
Yes, I finally got him.
Whee! No one's gonna find me there. Wait, what? He has a TV in his room? No fair! How did they get up there? I haven't played this game in a while, so guys, yeah. People say I would be a nub right now.
Yes, she is a nub.
Hey.
Hey, quit saying hey.
Shush up! I don't want to say bye to
This is
you.
my channel here. I don't know why. I just like feeling that I have a channel. And that's doing well.
Okay, guys. So, my next door neighbor, Hadley, she's my best friend. Okay, she doesn't know about this yet. I haven't told her about it. But I will.
Hey, y'all. Please comment how I can record my screen on the Xbox, okay? I got an Xbox One S, so.
Yeah. So. Oh man, this guy's. I'm glad I didn't hide there. That was my second hiding spot I wanted to go to. Something just got caught and destroyed into little
You're
pieces.
talking like that.
I'm sorry.
Why do you like that?
I'm trying to clear my throat through all that crazy voices that I have. And apparently,
those are weird voices.
where is he? He can't get to me now. Wait, if he goes up that ladder.
Let's go, boy.
I'm
Hey,
in
comment
danger.
if you live in Texas.
Ooh yeah.
Maybe we can meet up or something.
I don't really like Texas because like it
It's
can
hot
get really
and
hot.
crap.
Yeah, and they don't have any snow.
No,
Even
they
any
sometimes
snow.
do. They sometimes do.
Yeah, sometimes, but like 2 inches of snow.
Okay.
Nuh-uh. Ugh.
I win, boy. Let's go. Let us go. Ha.
I think I can do one more game after this. Wait,
Wait, you got found?
no, because one more minute.
Because the be savage for once.
What? Fine, I'll get out my hiding spot. Whee! I'm open and I'm free from that crazy lady. Jump! Where the heck is he? Where is he? Is that me? What the heck? I'm like sunk in. I'm like sunk.
You're stuck, not sunk.
Oh! I almost went over there by Marsh. Wait, what is his